Hi everyone, this is Peter of GIZGUIDEPH, and if you're a coffee lover or you generally just love Starbucks, then I'm sure that you also collect those Starbucks rewards. Siyempre, gagamitin ko talaga yung card or Starbucks app ko para makakuha ng free drink or food. Now, we understand that not all of us prefer to go out nowadays. That's why it's even more convenient that Starbucks finally partnered with Grab for their Starbucks rewards. Yes, you can now earn stars by ordering your favorite Starbucks goodies via GrabFood. Paano? Let us show you. By the way, nabasa ninyo naman sa title that we have a giveaway and it's called Stars Delivered. So stay tuned by the end of this video for more details. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is make sure that you register your Starbucks card to the Starbucks PH app. If you haven't done this, simply download Starbucks PH app or go to www.starbucks.ph/card to register your SB card to an account. Kung meron ka namang registered Starbucks card sa app, here's how you can link it to your Grab app. So once you open the Grab app, go to the food category and search for Starbucks. Add to cart all your orders and then go to the loyalty and membership section on the order summary page. Then click on Add Account and type in your Starbucks login details. Once you've received a notification that you've successfully linked your account, you will start collecting stars on all paid and completed GrabFood deliveries as soon as the order has been successfully placed. And that's it! Abangan na natin si Kuya Grab. Salamat Kuya, rain or shine. Automatic ninyo pala makikita sa Starbucks app yung mga na-earn nyong stars. Yan, bigyan pa natin si Justin ng kape. Overall, we think that linking your Starbucks rewards account to Grab is a simple process for your next order convenience. At least alam ko na sa susunod, may free caramel macchiato na ako. Now, earlier we mentioned that we have a giveaway called #StarsDelivered. If you want to join, here's all you got to do. Simple lang to. This is open to all Starbucks Rewards member, so kung hindi ka pa registered sa Starbucks PH app or website, make sure that you do. You must also be liking or following Starbucks PH on Facebook and Instagram to join. Pag okay na yon, all you have to do is answer the question, what's your go-to Starbucks drink in the comment section. Kailangan mo din isama yung #StarsDelivered and #StarbucksPH and your registered Starbucks Rewards email mo sa comment because we are giving away 200 stars each to 3 random winners. So ganito ang magiging example ng comment entry mo. And yeah, you might just be one of our lucky winners ng 200 stars each. Dalawang food or drink reward din yun. So, good luck guys! If you're into more content like this and tech and gadget reviews, make sure you give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more. Once again, this is Peter of GIZGUIDE.com and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and goodbye!